Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba 6 days ago, to be precise on January the 6th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $85.54. And my main assumption was that we might accumulate our position all the way down to 0.65 level at $83.63, with anticipation that this asset will break its previous swing highs. And our stop loss was set somewhere around $81.6. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, at this one, and right after I made my previous video, this asset went higher. It retested the range of resistance at $88 that I marked previously, and it went to the downside. And technically you might be down, you might lose you could lose about 2.7% of your position, because it hit this stop loss order right below this yellow line. But in general, guys, this movement to the upside, this particular wave, is nothing else but the attempt to break its previous swing high, and this movement was quite impulsive. At the same time, right after this movement, from the technical analysis standpoint, you have to put your stop loss at 50% of this initial wave, and this was the range of about $86. But guys, nevertheless, technically this trade is unprofitable, and we booked some losses. But at the same time, this asset is still very technical, and we might see its next movement to the upside within next several sessions. And I will show you what I'm talking about in just several minutes. But for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question, and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you this might be a game changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that for now, from the technical standpoint, I see several quite decent signs, and I will show you them within just several minutes. And let me show you some fundamental news that might support its potential movement to the upside. First of all, I want to pay your attention to the consensus analyst price target and the most recent update on marketbit.com website. As you can see, just a couple of days ago, basically 3 days ago, Citigroup boosted the price target of Alibaba from $133 to $138, which implies about more than 70% of potential profit. And the consensus analyst price target is quite high. As you can see, it's set for the next 12 months at the level of $115.13, and among 15 analysts, only 2 analysts suggest to hold, 13 analysts suggest to buy, and 0 analysts suggest to sell. Quite a promising forecast. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. On January the 9th, it was published an article that is titled "Jefferies Rises Alibaba Stock Target, Retains Buy on Optimism." And let me quote you several paragraphs. So, on Thursday, Jefferies analyst Thomas Chong increased the stock price target for Alibaba Group Holding to $144 from the previous target of $143, while reiterating a buy rating on the stock. Chong's optimism is rooted in the company's expected performance for the December quarter, bolstered by strategic clarity. The analyst anticipates anticipates Alibaba to stay on course with its December quarter execution, citing the success of the Double 11 shopping event as a key driver for the growth in gross merchandise volume year over year for the company's Taobao and Tmall platforms, known collectively as TTG. And guys, I have to admit that yes, from the technical standpoint, I also anticipate the bounce to the upside, and I will show you the crucial ranges for this asset within just several minutes. But you can see that two analysts just recently, basically 3 and 4 days ago, updated their ratings, and they boosted the price targets to $138 and $144 respectively. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. We are still on Fintel.io, and I want to pay attention to this chart again. It is Alibaba Group Holding Limited Depository Receipt International Ownership. And this increase in the number of shares which belong to the institutional investors is quite promising, because it means that potentially the lowest price points for Alibaba were somewhere in the beginning of 2024. And that is why, guys, from the fundamental standpoint, we also might have in the long-term perspective quite substantial improvement in its price targets, in the price basically in general. But at the same time, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you a bearish sign, and the bearish sign definitely is the breakout below its previous swing low that was established at the very end of December, on December the 20th. We had just tiny chance to have a trend reversal from this point, but it failed, and we are still printing lower highs and lower lows on each and every scale. But at the same time, guys, take a look right here. If I switch to 2 hours time frame, zoom out a little bit, let me show you these price actions, and we are approaching or already hit these several ranges of support from $80 all the way down to $79.3 mark. And even more importantly, we have even more price actions at the ranges of about $80 that acted as a range of resistance right here, range of resistance with the false breakout. Let me show you it more thoroughly right here, and another range of resistance was hit by the price right here. And this means, guys, about $80 mark might be quite substantial range of support, and this means from this point we might also have a trend reversal. And what price target we might have? For now, it is very difficult to assume the completeness of this wave from its swing high that was set on October the 2nd to the current range. But at the same time, guys, I have to admit that it is nearing to its crucial, the most basically the all-time low that was established right here at $66.77. Not here, wait a second, it is not the lowest point, right here on October of 2022. It established, it hit the price target of about $60 mark. And definitely for now, guys, you can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend on the biggest scale. And on top of that, I have to admit that we don't have any substantial bullish signs from its most recent price action. But guys, to be honest, every time when you see this panic selling, and right now, as you can see, on the pre-market hours, we pretty much hit $80 mark, and the market in general is in red. You can see it by clicking on each and every ticker symbol on the right side and on your watch list. Basically, you can see Tesla down by 2.93%, Palantir is down by 4%, Baba is also in red by 0.63%. But guys, believe me, this is not an infinite process, and we are at the ranges of major support. That is why, guys, be cautious, but you can accumulate your position, accumulate your long position with anticipation to break its previous swing highs. And from the current price, it might be up to 9% to the first price target, about 17.5% to the second one, and about 27% to the third one. And to be honest, guys, it is very difficult to assume at which level you have to put your stop loss order, because we have plenty plenty of potential ranges of support, and it is definitely up to you whether you want to add to your long position right here or not, but in general the U-turn is near. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.